Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Ford F250 key fob. First, you'll need just a couple of simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick guide will help you replace your key fob battery in just a few easy steps, saving you a trip to the dealership. It's a straightforward task anyone can do. Now, let's get started. Look for the small release button located on the side of your Ford F250 key fob. Gently press this button, and you'll notice the emergency key blade pop out slightly. Once released, carefully pull the key blade completely out of its slot. This step is crucial as it reveals the small opening you'll use to pry open the fob's casing. It's a simple first move. With the emergency key blade removed, you'll see a small notch or slot where the key blade was housed. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this notch. Now, with a gentle twisting motion, begin to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Work your way slowly around the entire seam of the fob, applying even pressure. This prevents any damage to the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Gently pry it out with your screwdriver. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely shut. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click. Confirming it's locked in place, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.